Hey, good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to another one. This is just a little tech tip, or just a kind of like a technical review. Some of the equipments and products we use. Sorry about the traffic. This is a 4th of July holiday, and where I'm at, it's busy. I guess I should probably do this inside, but we're going to try to get it done out here. The new GoPro Volta. It's been out about 2 months now. It's got the remote grip. I'm sure you all know about it. I'm not going to do a full intense review, but the short version is it's a grip, it's a remote, and it's also a level ground tripod. You lay out, the head swivels, you can set it like so, get footage, cool action shots, whatever you want to do. But GoPros are notorious for their battery level not lasting long at all. So I wanted this thing because this grip has 3 batteries in it. I don't know the technical milliamps on it, but it has the equivalent of 3 GoPro batteries in this handle on full charge. Plus you can run your battery in your GoPro. That'll give you 4 GoPro batteries. You go out vlogging, 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there, 15 minutes here, 5 minutes here. Over a full day period, this is going to be more than enough battery power for you. It's not 100% waterproof, which is kind of a bummer, but it is water resistant. You get caught out in a rainstorm, it's not the end of the world. It's not going to ruin it. But my tip is, it also has another little adapter right there that's nice. A lot of guys clip that on the backpack clip right here. Walk with it on their backpack strap. You can put it on a stick, whatever you want. It's got a 1/4 thread right here at the bottom. A lot of versatile uses for this, but here's my thing I wanted to show guys. I'm going to use it a lot vlogging and hunting. This little cord right here, especially when you have the media mod on, you see it goes like that, fits good, and your controls are here. So if you're filming someone vlogging, you've got your thumb controls right here, hit record, go with it. You Bluetooth it, picks right up. That's handy. But if you want to film yourself like this and talk, you need to spin it in your hand. But if you don't want to spin it in your hand, then you can spin the head. But when you spin that head, you see all this tension here? Puts a lot on that. And it's designed to do this, and it's supposed to be safe. But I have found it's become almost second nature to have my controls right here at my thumb. So I don't want to film you with my controls here and then have to spin the handle and not have my controls looking at me while I'm talking myself. Because if I have to stop recording, I have to spin it and then hit it. It just, it's more easier and more convenient with this thumb control, always at your thumb control. So just keeping your controls at your thumb and turning this thing 180 degrees, look at all this stress right here. That is tight. So what I have come up with is Amazon has them. They're like $6. It's a female type C to a male type C. This is their small version. It's stiff, so it won't hang all out and be all gawky looking, excessively long. It's literally 6 inches of cord, and I will take this tight string or tight type C cord, and see, you can actually see there's a little bend in this. Do you see that right there? Let me put this to it. Let me hold it straight. You see that? It's kind of bent up already, just from, that's a couple weeks of use. So get this here, and plug into that. Now that protects that. No more pressure on this. Then come up here, plug it in your media mod. Now you've got all this slack, but they're both heavy built cords. And now when I rotate here to look at me, my controls stay here, and look at this. Plenty of play. There's no pressure on this cord. I mean, to me, I don't like buying a lot of gear, technical gear all the time. And for the price of some of this stuff, it should last. This GoPro Volta comes in about $129.99 US dollars. But if you have the GoPro subscription, you can get it for $89.99, 90 bucks. I advise anyone that messes with GoPros to get the subscription. It's well worth $90 for this grip. But I guarantee you, since these Voltas have been out for 2 months, I guarantee you by another 6 months from now, there's going to be people complaining about their Volta not working because their cord has shorted out. Their Type-C end's broken off. They've pulled wires loose. This is going to be a problem if people are spinning their GoPro cameras like it's intended to do. If they didn't want you to spin that, if they wanted you to turn the handle, they would have made this stationary other than this way for the tripod. So it is 100% designed to spin. So in order for this thing to last a long time, you've got to give some slack here, because pulling on this wire is not going to last a long time. There's nothing you can do to change it. I mean, a wire being pulled and stressed is not going to get a longevity of life out of it. You may get a few months, but I'm telling y'all, I believe within the next 6 to 8 months, you're going to be seeing a lot of problems on these Voltas, just because this short cord being stressed to the max all the time. So I will put the link in the description below for this. I got it from Amazon, very cheap. And I think if you invest this extra $6 for one of these adapters, you can get it in any color, or multiple colors, not any, but multiple. I think if you'll invest in this, your Volta is going to last you a lot longer than the average guy's. So let's check it. It comes with a pass-through door. I don't film with it a lot because I run the media mod and I always have external mics. So I need the media mod, especially vlogging with other people. I don't like counting on just the media mod mic. So this is the pass-through door that comes with the Volta. So if you were not going to run I think they call that the Creator's Edition, which is nothing but the media mod and the light on. Let's see. Tighten this up real quick. Okay. Let's take the clip off and use it through the pass-through door like it's intended. This is how it goes without the media mod. Okay. Plenty of slack there. You got your thumb controls, that's your thumb right here. You're filming someone vlogging. Now you turn like this, and now you're vlogging. Even that, having that 90-degree head on it right there, I believe that helps a lot. And this pass-through door has support right here on the Type-C charger. So I think if you just are running a GoPro like this, I think as long as you don't go more than 180 degrees, I think it's going to work fine for you. I think that would be fine. Yeah. But if you're going to run the media mod with this Volta and use the controls like it's designed to use, you need to get this little $6 Type-C female to Type-C male adapter. I'll put the link in the description below. Check it out. It saves you so much pressure off of that cord, And I mean, it just makes sense. It's going to give you a longer life out of your Volta. And for what we pay for these things, I feel like we should do whatever we can to get the most out of it. I love GoPro and their products. I mean, I'm impressed with them. They make great second angle cameras for hunting. They make great action cameras for fun action stuff. I mean, they're awesome. I love them. I use them for a lot. But for my second angle camera and my main vlogging camera at concerts, get-togethers, reunions, ATA conventions, that type thing, we got the Pure Whitetail Bash coming up. I'm going to have my GoPro and Volta there. A lot of the greats in the outdoor industry are going to be there. I'd like to talk to a few, just check everybody out and just have a good time. And you know, I want to be able to talk to a lot of guys and just ask how their day's going, what they like about pure whitetail. And I want to know, hey, I got something with batteries that's going to count, and this Volta is that answer. But I don't want it breaking on me in the middle of it because I've stretched and accidentally turned this cord too far. So, like I said, not an in-depth Volta review. However, it covers the basics. And once again, I'll put the link in the description below. But do yourself a favor if you're running a Volta and get this adapter and let your Volta last a lot longer than what it's going to without it. So if you found this information useful and helpful today, if you would, leave a comment, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, catch me on the next one. We'll do a lot more technical stuff. I want to do a full camera breakdown and show you all the cameras I use to capture my hunts. If you want to talk more technical stuff and get into cameras, lenses, microphones, wireless mics, tripods, you know, if I got my inner geek kind of guys like that like it like I do, leave a comment. I'll get some of those kind of videos rolling out here in the off season. So get your adapter, enjoy your Volta, and I'll catch you on the next one.